Let's start. We use rectangle part first, shape parts. We can create our own shapes, like I want to make a puppet or a toy here using circles. Let's show how it will start. Just click on ellipse tool and just create a circle here, or ellipse, anything, whatever you want. Then using ellipse I want to make some ellipses tools. That's it, you can create. Now just color it, just a basic coloring, that's fine. Just basic color is fine as of now. I will just demonstrate purpose. That will be any color for demonstration purpose. See this, how nice form it was formed. And just take a square here, select all at a time, and then see how it was formed. Now I want to make a rounded here. That's it. We have created a toy from circles and squares. Like this, you can create n number of designs and shapes with the shape tool.